in the dawn there was a beautiful girl that named us all for a pearl. She kept precious and stone. That was the name for us to never forget. Having our looks and regrets, we never talk with a phone. We give her our gifts to be a beautiful stone that she could talk to alone. Maybe a kiss on the lips. What was our will? 'Cause we got lost in the wind. Back to an ordinary sin that we can't give any tips. She got lost in the woods of my own head. She got stuck in the wind of my own breath. Bring me a song and I'll remember all that's gone. Bring me a rock and I'll throw it in our socks. Up in the night I was thinking of her, having her fill in my books. She would be dreaming a look. That was a guy who treated me like a child, like I've got gifts of some kind. It's me looking like a wedding man. We passed a stone from every hand that would ward. We celebrated the win, looking the other way. What did I do? I'm looking for a best man, and I do want some friends. Why was I born good? Look, she was lost in the woods looking for a track. She got stuck in the void looking for a track. Bring me a song and I'll remember your last play. Before you left me alone or left me to go and pray. Lost in the woods looking for a man to take her. She got lost in the woods looking for a lost brother. She was lost in the woods looking for a savior. She got lost in the woods looking for an undertaker. She was lost in the woods looking for a man to take her. She was lost in the woods looking for a lost brother. She was lost in the woods looking for a savior. She was lost in the woods looking for an undertaker. Looking for an undertaker. Walking the dog in the garden of doors. Do you remember you were calling the poor? It was a stick that was hitting your head, but you lied. Doc found the pages you were hiding in grass. The mama was telling you that the cat was still fast. Don't pull your head down the porch, there is nothing down there. Will you cry? found a cave where you were hitting your head. You don't need to fade, your brother's holding your hand. There is no broken string that will ruin your day. See it now. Everyone went through the chapel of bows, and yet the garden was not covered with snow. But then the bird was playing the piccolo. Can you fly? The kids went through March without your hair. The flower was tossed and you still played on the bed. The clock went from dawn to just keep fucking your head. Is it now? Memories are like hard and heavy stones that your heart can't seem to carry for too long. And life it is just not plain simple for your eyes. You'll be seeing all the ghosts stuck in your house. The wall TV is just a simple parakeet. It tells you to let it all out on the street. Your mind it is still stuck with another scene. Know that everybody's thinking they're not teens. But the songs, oh, they're like summer, a good feel to let your deep mind use your tongue. But the tongue, something sees an actor, let your feels feel good on the sun. from nature. It's so good all alone. Don't be minding the neighbor's favorite song. I can bet you will find another friend's guitar just as not as good as the first one in your car. And another revolt for you to go and speak again. Your lover's waiting to hug you and go faint. For the love you think is not all to be true. You're just a boy wandering in the blues. But the songs, oh, they're like summer, a good feel to let your deep mind use your tongue. But the dumb still thinks he's an actor. Let your feels feel good on the sun. Wait for a question that's raining in your head, 'cause you fall too deep, you're seeming to hold your breath. Is it just for a class of another judgment stone? I have to spray the message on my notes. The heart for the price has been dealt with for too long. My pick is too rusted to write a song. Look up, look down, boy, you have a working head. Hallelujah, God's your great big man. Hallelujah, God's a great big man. Hallelujah, God's a great big man. Once we're a country, we must tell our history. For every white sheep, for every dead sheep, do we need to see a color for our eyes? The world is already sleeping in some gas. Once we're a winner, we need to talk over the sinner. For every dumb things, for every new stings. But do we need a rock to throw the shade that we live? Our body feels the same way we did. Once we're a prick, we need to show 'em all the tricks. For every black scene, for every cop scene. But do we need to bully all the different could be better? Our eyes are just a blind to see we aren't better. Once we're in jail, we need to feel it as our tale. For every hurt black, for every ground black. Because do we need a scene to know what we've been all along? Change won't come in change what we have done. Every boys, let's unite as one. Forget all the bad that we have done. We are all silly, but there's a rock that we can't keep. And let's not be bullies on our own. Every boys, let's unite as one. Forget all the bad that we have done. We are all silly, but there's a rock that we can't keep. And let's not be bullies on our own.
Where the flowers are, there's a bird flying south. It's so big, agile and far, flying above all the rainy clouds. Can I be like him, flying around the atmosphere with the wings of white doves, flying birds to bring us peace? Where the tree trunks are, there's a raven flying north. He's as big as the other birds, flying above all the trash of hurt. Can I not be like him, flying around on my forgotten sins with the wings to get scary eyes, to get a bird to steal my wine? Walking without any regrets of heaven or hell. There's no demand waiting till we see our head. Where the heavens are, there's a forgotten God that is as the biggest as we can be, with all the glory we can see. Can I be with him, with our hands holding no sins, to see the real hand with no hands, and feel ourselves fly like a bird? Can I be with him, our hands holding no sins, to see the real hand with no hands, and feel ourselves fly like a bird.